Today, I'm showing you how to make highlights private on Facebook on your Android device. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. You'll be taken to the Facebook homepage where you can view posts from friends and pages. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the menu icon at the top or bottom. Step 3. Access Settings. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Step 4. Go to Stories settings. In the Audience and Visibility section, tap Stories. Step 5. Change story privacy. Tap on Who can see your stories. Step 6. Select Custom. Choose Custom from the privacy options. Step 7. Choose specific friends you want to show your stories and highlights to. You can choose specific people or create a custom list. Step 8. Save changes. Tap Done at the top, then tap Save below. Tap Save again to confirm your privacy changes. Step 9. Create new highlight private. Now, when you create new highlights, they'll only be visible to the friends you've selected in your custom privacy settings. And that's it. Your Facebook highlights are now private and only visible to the people you've chosen on your Android device.